Hey, what is up everybody? So in this video, I'll tell you guys 10 cool things that you can do with your Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. And before starting, I want to mention that some of these things are present on the previous Samsung smartwatches as well. But this video is specifically for those people who just got their brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So let's get started. The Galaxy Watch 3 comes loaded with a lot of health related features. And one of them is the blood oxygen saturation that you can measure with the help of this watch. This feature is rolled out in a lot of countries except these few. I'll attach a screenshot of the update here in this video. So just go to the menu, here select Samsung Health and now scroll down all the way to blood oxygen. Here just measure it, make sure you are sitting still while taking the reading and also the watch is snug fit. And comparing the data with a real pulse oximeter, you can see that the reading is quite close. You can add its widget as well on the home screen just by rotating the dial all the way to the end. And now click the plus icon and search for the blood oxygen widget. So in this way you can add this to your home screen. The next thing that I want to mention is the new method Samsung has implemented to take screenshots on this watch. Previously we had to press the home button and swipe it to the right, which was a bit confusing, but now with the Galaxy Watch 3 we have to just press the home button and back button at the same time. In this way you can take a screenshot on this watch. After that it will be saved to the gallery of your watch and you can transfer it to your phone as well. The Galaxy Watch 3 has a built-in torch or flashlight. Previously we had to download a third-party application from the store in order to use torch, but now with the Galaxy Watch 3 we have to just swipe down and here on the third screen you can see the torch icon. You can long press it and drag this torch to the second screen as well. Here you have 3 different lighting modes and the fourth one is the flashing mode, so you can flash your watch in the dark. The next thing is quite handy. It is a camera controller app officially from Samsung. You can control your phone's camera with the help of this application. You can select front cam, back cam and also you can focus. The link for this app will be down in the description. Also you can try out this application on previous Samsung smartwatches as well. Just make sure you have a compatible smartphone for this purpose. You can see the compatible phones in the description of the application on store. The next thing is related to Bixby. It is now much better as compared to the previous versions. You can set a reminder, you can schedule a meeting or you can start a timer. So we will do that. So hey Bixby, set a timer for 10 seconds. It is working quite good, you can see. Next I will talk about sleep tracking on this watch. It has been improved a lot with the Galaxy Watch 3. I have been testing it for some days and results are quite good. If you want to get the best out of this sleep tracking, make sure you enable good night mode. It is present in the quick settings panel at the top. You can schedule it as well. So the watch will turn on good night mode automatically according to your sleep pattern. So to do that you have to just go into the settings, now in advanced and scroll down to the good night mode and enable this option, turn on daily. So you can see here good night mode will be turned on and off automatically based on your sleep patterns. Okay, next I will talk about ECG and blood pressure feature on this watch. It is officially available in South Korea, but you can still use it in any country of the world just by a simple trick of installing some apps with the help of your smartphone. And method for that is explained in this video. The link for this video is present down in the description. Results here are quite good. I'm getting from this application. You can see here when I compare it to the real BP apparatus. So it's a cool feature to check out on the Galaxy Watch 3. Next thing is related to workout. So basically your watch can track or make a map of your walk or run. And for that feature you have to enable GPS. So it's tracking the route while you are on a run. And to do that you have to go into settings. Now go to connections and now scroll down to the location. Here just enable the location and choose GPS and wireless option. Moving on to the next thing, it is actually the quick settings panel present at the top. Here 3 screens of quick settings panel are present. We can rearrange them by drag and drop method, or we can even add more by clicking on this plus icon. So here you can have a bit more quick shortcuts just by swiping down the quick settings panel. The next thing is related to the do not disturb mode. So if you have an alarm or a timer set up on your watch, you will not hear any sound unless your phone profile is set to sound mode. So to unsynchronize the profiles on watch and phone, just go into the settings, scroll down to advanced, and here select do not disturb. Now click this option and turn off do not disturb sync. In this way your phone profile is unsynchronized from the watch. So guys, these were all the cool things along with the tips and tricks that you can try out with your brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. If you like the video, make sure to drop a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.